Hello good people, we are making the bed today, and here we are. Already the mattress has the cover. I had already put the pillowcase to make the video not so long. So you pick up the draw sheet. Yes, you pick up the draw sheet and you spread it over the bed, because that is very important to prevent the mattress getting stained. There's option of draw sheet or Macintosh. Macintosh is when they are kids or sick people. Then you take your sheet and you check it, as before you straighten it, the right side goes up, yeah. So that is what I was confirming. Yes, while the sheets, you spread it over the bed, and yeah, you have a good covering for the bed. So as we continue, please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Comment, view, like and share this video to reach as many people as possible. Okay, thank you very much to all my subscribers. Make sure the line is in the middle, or rather the sheet is aligned in the middle, not one side sweeping the floor and the other side hanging. Yeah, then you tuck in from the front side, and then you tuck in on the sideways. You lift up the sheet a bit and you tuck. Come to the back and do the same. Yeah, you can do the other way around from the back, but the side is always easier. Yeah, once you tucking at the back, you now tuck in and get that fold. Your fold, nimesahau what it is called. What is it called? Please comment for us down there. Yeah, then we do also to the other side. Same case, same way we have done to that side, we are also going to do to this other side. You tuck the side, you tuck the back, and now the side, you allow the sheet to fall, then tuck it in. Same case towards the head, the head of the bed. Yeah, or rather the head of the bed. Yeah, then now yeah, it's not easy, but yeah, as I'm doing it quite slow because I'm trying to explain to you. Yeah, you've seen I've folded the front part, I've picked the side, I've tucked it in, and now there we have our bed. Your fold now is what I've forgotten what it is called, but anyway, you can help us there at the comment section. Okay, then you take the other sheet. Remember the first sheet, the right side was facing up. Now the second sheet, the right side is facing down, so that ukijifunika, or rather when you cover yourself, you are covering yourself with the right side of the sheet. Yes, you are covering yourself with the right side with the right side of the sheet. Yes, the tucking in goes the same, but for this one you only tuck in at the bottom, at the feet. Yeah, you tuck in at the feet or the back, lift the sheet on the side, tuck in, and then allow it to fall. The rest you'll tuck it in while you put the duvet. So the procedure is more or less the same, but however, this is a very good way to keep your bed always neat, such that when you wake up in the morning, you won't find the sheets, the duvet has fallen and all that. Yeah, so once you tuck in it properly, you rarely will find it falling, and it has enough space for you to sleep inside. Okay, now it's time to put the duvet. The duvet is quite wide. Yeah, the duvet is quite wide, so we will also do the same. However, for the duvet, you remember the sheet, you didn't tuck in the front sheet. Yeah, so you bring it down. Yeah, you put extra piece so that you bring it down. Let me tell you, this also protects your blanket or your duvet getting dirty all the time. It is easier to wash the sheets than to wash the duvets all the time. Yes, so now you bring it down. Yeah, however, whenever you're covering yourself, you're mostly covering yourself with the sheet. So once you bring that extra piece down, yeah, while you were putting the second sheet, uliacha ikiwa loose at the front. Yeah, sasa hiyo loose ndio una tuck in. Yes, so now it's time to tuck in the duvet from the foot, from the feet. Yes, you can see how long it is. What we are going to do, we are going to tack it from the back. We'll tack it from the back. It's heavy and it's long. Yeah, how we try to make it more straight as it can be. So I'll first do the both sides so that it's not hanging on one side. Yeah, so you do the same way you do with the sheets. And now you'll tack in the other part of the second sheet that was hanging together with the duvet. You can see the procedure is the same, but there are no folds inside there. I'm trying to make it as straight as possible. Yeah, so that also it's comfortable. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, now we have tacked in. Ooh, yeah, fuchs. There is the mattress, the bed cover. The bed cover again protects the duvet from getting dust, from collecting dust around. So you have it loose on the bed. It covers the entire bed plus the pillow and whatever else you have on the bed. So that's the good thing about it. It's easier to wash a bed cover than a duvet. And again, to avoid you sleeping on dusty inside dusty sheets and dusty bed cover. Yeah, so once you put it, you ensure it's straight. You put with an extra material or the extra part at the front where you're going to put the pillow. Yes, there is the pillow. We had already put the pillowcase, a clean pillowcase, so it's not that we are using an old one. Yes, so you put it down, you tuck it in properly, make sure it's straight and looking neat. You put it down and then you bring the bed cover on top. So that is your bed. Imagine, look at how neat that bed is. It's not exaggerated. It's not, there are no exaggeration. There are no things that are looking out of order. No, everything is in order. Thank you. Bye.